Just made it into IKEA.
Rematch.
Back to college. Hi. It's exciting. Do you want to go to the elevator or escalator? Escalators.
We kind of match. Like exactly. Shoes included. Today, we're gonna play a game of hide and seek.
It's exciting.
IKEA style.
The only style.
Alright.
Okay, Sam, this is where it starts.
Alright, let's do it.
Adios. So, can't find her yet, so this should be exciting. I'm heading towards lights. I think she's into lights. Something like that.
Serena! Maybe she's over here. Serena! I don't see her.
Okay, where is she? This is getting stupid. We've been looking for each other for 30 minutes now. This is not gonna end well.
So I can't find her. This shall be interesting.
Where is she? So I'm in the last section. I found her.
I got bored looking for you.
What?
I got really bored looking for you. I gave up, so you win. Let's go.
Round 2.
Where is she? This is weird.
So, I can't find her. I have looked everywhere. I've looked downstairs. I looked at even the first floor. Like, if you know IKEA, the first floor has really nothing special on it.
So I'm in a living room, kitchen, setup, and I think I found her. Thought I did, and then I came across a random stranger, and I almost gave her a hug, and it's really weird because we're wearing the same shirt, and you would think that I would know where she is, but I don't. I'm just gonna go call her maybe, look for her. I can't find her.
I just don't know what to do. I've looked everywhere. Up, down, through, in, out. And I just... I don't know. Excuse me. I really...
Found you.
Oh, I found her.
Caution, flip-flop wearers. This is dangerous. Okay, Sam. I guess I'll go too. Why not? It's not danger.